Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Uganda tourist e-visa online. This is useful because you can complete everything before your trip instead of handling it when you arrive. So before we start, just a quick note that this is only a guide to help you understand the process. Now, once you open the official Uganda immigration website, you'll see the steps of the application. And to begin, click on Start New Application, then agree to the terms and conditions. So the first thing you need to do here is to choose the type of visa. So select visa, then choose the category as Uganda Ordinary Tourist Visa. After that, pick the subcategory, which is usually a single entry. The system will show a checklist of required documents based on your travel purposes, along with the file size, format, and the visa fee in USD. Next, you can skip the group option if you're applying alone. Then fill in your personal details, place of birth, residence, and passport information. To answer a few simple questions, add your address in Uganda and include your travel history if you have any. After that, select tourism as your purpose, then enter your arrival details and length of stay. Answer the background questions based on your situations. So once that's done, upload your documents, review everything, then submit and pay the fee. After submission, you'll get a confirmation, and once approved, you'll receive a notification to present at the port of entry where the final decisions will be made. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.